Okay, so first things first, we're going to disconnect the negative, and then I'll take the positive off, and we will start to make up our wire. So I just popped the terminal off of the negative post there, and it's got this nice little rubber boot, goes right around it, just to kind of protect the whole thing. So I'm just going to remove that. And what I'm going to do is, because I have to attach a ring connector, so I'm going to put that on over here. So I just need to remove this bolt, or this nut, and then I can put this in, and then go do the other side. And the foreman had to come out and inspect. Everything looking okay out here, boss? So what I ended up doing, I had to get this thing off. That was a bear to get off. But anyway, I did get it off. So we have it. Find it here. So I've attached the ring terminal onto here, and it's just a matter of putting that back on the post. And I'll do the same thing with the positive on the other post. And then the trick becomes, how do we route this? Now there is a loom that goes through down in here. If you can see that there or not. Yeah, there it is. And I need to see if there's any more room there. So I think what I'm going to do is have to raise up the tractor. Actually, no, I can't, because I got the batteries disconnected. Anyway, I guess I'll get under the tractor, and we will see what's available there to see if we can squeeze this through. And yeah, somebody just decided to crawl up over my back, so now she's kind of on an inspection tour, are you, boss? What do you think? Yeah, you just check her all out there. Nobody's stealing this tractor, Dad. No, I allows not. Say hi. Look at those blue eyes. Look at those blue eyes. That's Yow Yow. Yeah, she's just going to check everything out here now. It was pouring rain earlier, and she did not want to come out and get her paws wet, but it has stopped. So she's come out to inspect. Anyway, back to figuring out a place to put this stuff. Okay, so I've got the first section of wire hooked up. You can see right there, it's fused, it's connected to both battery terminals. The next thing I was trying to figure out was, thought there might have been a spot underneath I could come back through, but it's just way too difficult to try and get under there, and I don't think, I probed it, but I don't think there's enough room. So my secondary thought was to come up through here where the air inlet is, and that way this can go back down, kind of captures that in here, and I've got enough room here with the connector, and I can put my bottle, my overflow reservoir goes back on, and that is all tucked in and protected. So the next part now is to come from this end and to run the wire back through here and into the figure out where I'm going to come through here so I can get it to come through the side down there. Okay, so here we've got it coming out by the air inlet, and I got that automotive connectors there. I loomed it. I drilled a couple of holes. I drilled one just in there just to put the tie wrap around, and there's another one Where is this? Get this in focus. So yeah, so I put one in here and then attach to the frame here and here to keep it from sliding. Now I did leave some slack down here to make it easier to get at the oil filter for the oil filter change, and then I tie wrapped it right there to the existing wire loom that goes in, and that comes up from down underneath because you've got good access down there. So I've got that just kind of tied off with the strap there, and just made a courtesy loop there. Basically, I didn't want to cut it and then reconnect it, so I just decided to leave it. And nice and neat on the side for plug-in to the battery tender, and that's a weatherproof cap there. And all of this work is in support of this smart battery charger. And again, that one has another automotive connection, so I can just lay this on the floorboard, plug it in to my power supply, and open that up, and it just plugs in so it can monitor the battery. And then when you're done, pull it out, close it up, nice and neat, out of the way. Next up, installing the voltmeter. And what I think I'm going to do is rather than running more wires to the battery, I'm just going to use some of this extra stuff here, and I'm just going to splice in the connection there. We'll see how that goes.